Okay, once you get to your YouTube, you're going to want to go to an area that has your channel. So you're going to want to click on either your icon up here or your initials, and you're going to want to click on YouTube Studio. What we want to do is we want to make sure all of our videos are listed as public. So once you come to your dashboard, we're going to go and click on videos on the left, and all of your channel videos come up. So notice I have this one here that says unlisted and these that say public. We want to make sure that all of these are public. So we're going to click this button to select them all. We're going to click edit and then visibility. And we're going to want to make sure all of them are listed as public. And then we're going to want to update videos. It's going to come up with a box that says, are you sure you're about to update selected videos? Updating your videos is permanent and can't be undone. Check I understand the implications of this action, and click update videos.